Everyone is searching for happiness, yet most people spend their lives looking in the wrong places. We chase things, people, experiences, thinking the next step will finally make us feel complete. But what if I told you, the real reason we're not happy is simpler than you think, and almost no one notices it? Decades of practice have taught me that happiness isn't hidden in some distant goal. It's right here, but only if we learn to see it properly. Happiness doesn't live in tomorrow, and it doesn't hide in the past. As the Buddha said, do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment. When we stop rushing and truly notice the present, life opens up. Ordinary moments, feeling the warmth of the sun, savoring a simple meal, listening fully to someone, hold deep, quiet joy. As Thich Nhat Hanh said, the present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you are attentive, you will see it. Start small. Breathe deeply. Notice the sensations around you. Walk slowly. Listen completely. These moments may seem simple, but they are the foundation of a joyful life. Life is fleeting. True happiness is not something to earn or achieve. It is something to awaken to, something to experience now. Each breath, each glance, each heartbeat is an invitation to presence. Pause, breathe, notice. Let happiness quietly appear in the present moment. If this message spoke to you, please like this video. Leave a comment about what brought you joy today. Share this video with someone who needs calm, and subscribe for more insights on living fully in the now. Farewell, and may your days be filled with calm and clarity.